ano yan, kung totoo yan, kung totoo yan, I'm not really sure kung that's really accurate, no? Assuming totoo nga yan, hindi pa rin yan enough reason to not to continue with the trial. Trial has happened. Dapat nga sa June 11, kasi nga we were expecting today, pero reset na naman, June 11. Dapat nga sa June 11, kaagad-agad, mag-convene sila as an impeachment court. Mag-oath na kaagad sila. Yung hindi yung sasabihin, okay, tingnan natin ngayon, ay ipapabasa muna natin yung articles of impeachment and then saka na lang mag-o-oath o kaya sasabihin, ito, last day na to. Magsisinidi adjournment na tayo. So, somebody will probably just move to adjourn. And then wala na, no questions asked. Hindi naman sana, wag naman sana, ganun ang mangyari. Dapat ipakita nila na preparado na sila na sumunod sa saligang batas by officially convening itself already as an impeachment court. Let the issue about yung pwede pa ba yun? Let any interested party raise it or question the jurisdictional matter. Pero importante, maging firm sana ang Senado na hindi nila linalabag yung saligang batas.